Alright, and we're back at day one at the Armidale New England Show Society 149th show, and we're in the Main Pavilion. Saw a glimpse at the Main Pavilion yesterday, but this is inside today. So there's jams and preserves that we looked at there, children's artworks there, quite a good range in 3 cabinets there, and a perennial favourite is the flowers. So we'll have a quick look. As the sign says, look but don't touch. Lovely arrangement of dahlias there. Tommy Hillard Memorial Shield.
That's different colours.
And then we've got this same colour one here. Very large dahlias. We've got some salvia there. Little round ones. Let's have a look. Always used to be a good dahlia section, or it still is here. So let's pick out something a little bit different. How about we look closely at this one? Just for everyone. Then nice salmon coloured one or two of them here. Slightly darker one, not opened as much. The usual spider dahlia. Reds, mauves. We'll go over here and have a look at the children's section and the roses.
Well, I'm sure you would, but I don't know where it is.
Excited children in the background there. All these roses here. There we are, that showed much better. They're actually red rather than purple they're showing on. These are lovely purple ones here. Have a look at some white ones and their buds down here. Common ones. We'll finish this section here on these tightly packed ones.
Look, so that's one. So that's one.
Right, then we'll have a look at some more at the pavilion.
I've got extreme champ.
We'll move into photography here, and we'll look at my pet. Range from all the usual through the unusual, blue-tongued lizards. It's all disguised there. Putty cats. Big hi to Jeffrey that watches these and loves pussy cats. Hope you get a nice one, Jeffrey. There's a real champion puppy dog there. Horse. Little kangaroo rooster. Alright, so that's that section. Let's have a look at one of the other ones here. Let's see what section we've got over here. Flora and fauna. Let's see what we can see there. Some fauna. Zebra. Fauna. Lovely rays up there. Pelicans. Labrador here sitting in the bush. Little lizard. Little frog. Right, let's have a look some more. This section's water. So water's a good topic at the moment with Cyclone Alfred around. So we see scenes like that. A beach scene like that. Birds enjoying the water. Normal scene there. Old pier. Swimming, crossing the water. Country scenes there. Reflecting water. Nice reflection of the water there. Jet boating, I think. Aha, but sometimes in the water we see things that we don't want to see, like the crocodile there. Obviously up in northern Australia or something. The cattle there having a drink at the water. Lots of good photographs there. Then we'll finish off this section of photography here with the sunrises and sunsets, because in it we have the champion and grand champion photo of the show. This sunset scene here. So let's finish off the photography section there with the photo at the champion and grand champion show, photograph at the Armidale show 2025. And of course we'll have a look at the woodworking section here.
Yes.
It's bird cages, tables down there, a couple of nice lanterns over here on stools. Then into more fine work, train engine there, bit of burning, bit of cutting out there. So that's part of the woodworking section. Now we'll look here at the things that people have built out at Lego, whether it be a class tractor, a big piece of road making machinery, dinosaur, fun park down the bottom, sorry, it's a fun park, and up here to a racing car. Could that be the Queen Mary 2? No, that's the Titanic. And then in the Lego section, a Kawasaki Ninja. So it's amazing what people make out at Lego. Once again at the 2025 Armidale show. Don't forget to leave comments about the sections, what you think, and most of all subscribe to the channel. Of course no show would be complete without cooking section. One of my favourite sections is the sponges, whether little sponge patty cakes or whether it's a larger sponge, if you can get the thing out of the way. Chocolate cakes, biscuits, scones up the top here, date scones and plain scones. You can have a look here at sponge rolls. A couple of examples there. Biscuits and slices down the bottom. This is the intermediate section. Coming up to Easter in next month, so they've got hot cross buns in there. So that's the jams. Oh, actually we didn't do the jams, we did the cooking section. Remember, always leave a comment. And to finish off this segment in Pavilion, we'll have a look at the quilting and patchwork. So quilts, patchwork. We do have some patchwork up there. And we will look here at what else can be done. Scrapbooking, card making. So really there's no end of things that you can enter in your local show. A reminder, this is 2025 Armidale show. So hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and tell us about country shows in your town.